Hey everyone, let's unbox a coffee machine with me. I really wanted a coffee machine for so long, and this is a gift from my husband. This is from Amazon, and the brand is also Amazon. This jar is made of glass, and this is the whole body. This comes with this filter and a filter holder. This glass jar will attached with the upper portion of this machine, and this is the water tank area. Okay, let's make a coffee. And the liquor is dripping. You can easily make coffee of 4 or 5%. It's a good buy. Link in description.